at selling, we're looking at the Canadian, we're looking at the yen, and we're looking at the New Zealand, and then the Aussie. So we're going, the neutral pairs that we have is, the strong pair was the dollar. So we paired the dollar with these pairs, and then we now have to take the neutral one, which is the Swiss and the euro. These are the two kind of neutrals, if you will, and we're going to pair them with these. So we're going to look at the Swiss CAD, the Swiss yen, the Swiss New Zealand, and the Swiss Aussie. We're going to do those quickly the next half an hour, and we're going to look at the Euro CAD, Euro yen, Euro New Zealand, and the Euro Aussie. Wow, we're going to do a lot of pairs, and then we're going to try to pair the pound with them. So let's start quickly. So we know that the Swiss is stronger than the euro. The Swiss is kind of stronger than the euro, so we're going to focus on the Swiss with these pairs. So let's go with the Swiss. Let's start with the CAD Swiss. That is best one. We have the CAD and the Swiss, so that would be the first one to look at. And as you can see, it is pretty brilliant. It's just below the 93.757. It closed the week at, and look at this, that is your one structural point. There is the second one. And what is this? Yeah, this is the 93.57. So this is pretty brilliant. So right there, our buy signal is easy. Above the structure point, which is the 93.57, then we're going to buy it. So the CAD Swiss, our buying point is above 93.57. That's going to be our structure long point and our stop. On the short side, we're going to go short below the low of the day. So below the low of the day, that is the 93.37, and we want to find a structural short point below that, and that is this is the ones I like, the one that has been tested on both sides. Tested as a stop on the upside, and now it's tested on the decline. So this is the 90.48, and this one here is, and I want to say thank you to Carlos, because his remark that we have to stay true to the system has actually warmed my heart, and it makes me feel better that we identify something and we work with it and we apply it, and we are zealous in protecting it. So thank you, Carlos, very much. So we're going to go short, as I said, below 90.37, and the next structural point is 9.337, and the next structure point is 90.48. And if I'm going to go short below 90.37, my stop is going to be above the market side, which is 93.53. Okay, so for the CAD Swiss, we're going to go long only above the structure point, which is 93.57. It's going to be our long point and our stop. On the short side, we're going to go short below the low of the day, which is 93.37, and we have a structure point which is 300 pips which is going to give us a pretty good decent move to the downside, and our stop is going to be above the market side, 93.53. Okay, so let me save that, and we move